And try not to sit next to cars on the ring road, because you're in their blind spots, aren't you? They'll just check the mirrors, yep, we're clear, and they'll come over on you. Try and avoid sitting next to vehicles. It's this roundabout someone cut across a pupil and knocked him off a few years ago. So always make sure there's a gap next to you, not a car. I'd overtake the car or hang behind him, Stuart. Because you weren't accelerating quick enough, you're sat in that car's blind spot now. So he'll check his mirrors and come straight over on you. And this lane is going to become lane 3. He sat right in the blind spot.
It was at this point that Russ used a few choice words that won't be repeated on YouTube. He pointed out to his pupils that training was for life, not just for passing a test, and it was important that they listened to him.